Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. So today we'll be decorating this beautiful diya for coming Diwali. You can give these kind of diyas to your friends and family members, and you can also take some ideas for diya making competition for your schools and colleges. So to decorate this diya, I'm going to take two types of Fevicryl colors. One is normal acrylic colors and another one is Fevicryl Pearl metallic colors. They all are very easily available in any stationery shop. For all the supplies, I'm going to put the link in the description box. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video was useful, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.